I've never had to do that. When I have a cancellation, I like just look at it. At some point, Airbnb realized they canceled, didn't stay there, and they'll automatically send it back. Probably on VRBO, maybe you need to check that. I don't know off the top of my head if they do that. But yeah, I'll definitely if they don't if the travel agency doesn't already give the cleaning feedback, then yeah, I mean you're not paying for a cleaning, so that would just be like you just taking more money from them. So I would, yeah. I have the same cleaner that cleans all of our units. So when you have that kind of leverage, it's more of like, hey, we work together, right? Like I feed you a lot of business, but like, I and the majority of your business is from coming from me. So I'm not trying to be arrogant here, but it's like, hey, I feed you, so let's work together and make sure that we're yeah. She kind of has a team. She's not just one cleaner, so she can break up into it depends on what the demand is, but we have not run into that yet. And like that comes back to the same thing of like not trying to sound look at me, but I mean I do for the most part come as a priority because I am bringing her a lot of business, and a lot of other people that she cleans for may have one unit, that's it. And then another owner here that has one unit, and it's like, hey, she understands that we will take care of each other. You're a badass, man.